Let's go to work. Okay, so we've been called. There's a leak. Need to find out what it is. Hear this. I'm gonna have a look underneath that. So clearly here, all these cobwebs, you can see there's a leak there that soaked everything there, which is probably 10 litres, maybe more an hour. That's a lot of water. Anyway, we're going to have to turn the mains off. Okay, so let's see if we can just tighten it up. So it's still leaking. Let's see if we can tighten it up. What is it? All right.
Alright, turn it off. How many holes we've dug? Well, they've told us to dig.
This whole unit out now. And we're going to pull it out so that we've got access, and then we're going to work on that. Don't worry, I'll get it sorted out now. I still can't believe how the process works in this country, but anyway.
No, it's like, it's the first time we've dealt with anything like this. This is the first property that we've...
Oh, okay.
It's the leasehold property, but it's the first property we've bought.
Right.
And so, like, literally, I only realised there was a leak at about 11 o'clock on Sunday night.
Oh, okay. Right.
And then we called you the next day. And then, obviously, you explained the water needed. So I tried to turn it off with that valve and obviously realised...
Yeah, it's below it. We could create an awful lot more mess, but now I just take charge of the whole thing, and I will just make it, even if it's 10 litres that I get covered in water now for a split second, then another.
24 hours, 10 litres an hour, isn't
Yeah,
it? So.
yeah. So anyway.
Yeah.
I find the kind of speed at which this stuff gets done.
It's bizarre because Chumra rang them after you being on Monday, and they prioritised it and sent somebody out the same day. Someone was here about 4 o'clock, went around trying to find the stop valve, so they couldn't find it. Then they obviously used them as one of their device to mark out where they thought it was. And then they said, if nobody's come to fit the new valve by 9 AM tomorrow,
Then we're not here.
Yeah, which would have been Tuesday. They said, then call again. So we
But
called.
why is it my? But do you know what I mean? It's like, why am I having to phone you? This is your issue. It's
we
not.
called at 9. We called at 1. We called at 3. Called at 5:30. And each time, basically, they said that they were saying, "Oh yeah, expect either someone to arrive or you'll get a call from the maintenance team by 1:55." And so, but
You're a patient man.
it's just we were getting impatient at the end because I just don't really understand why.
It takes this long.
The best is that the guy you could do is about 24-hour repair.
basically I'm going to freeze this pipe and take out this. Somebody's had a second stopcock in here before, yeah, and because it's on the lead, the bottom line is this, yeah, is that the guy who's seen it has gone, oh, I don't know how to do that,
Right.
so I leave it in and put another one on top.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. So now you've got no handle on the old one. You've got a second one in that's leaking. So I've sorted out the leak. It has to. It needs to come out. So I'm going to freeze the pipe. Yeah. Sort out this stopcock arrangement so that you've got one essentially that you just turn like that. It's off. None of this, this, that, and the other.
So where, and that'll be the stopcock for the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the whole house.
For the whole house.
Chances are somebody's either bashed the stopcock, or they've turned it off, inadvertently smashed it or whatever, and that's been your issue.
We had a washing machine fitted.
Yeah,
that one.
I did.
I don't know if
Yeah.
that could be related.
Who knows?
Oh yeah.
I wasn't there. Yep. So let's try. Make sure that's turned off. And let it do its work. And find out if we've frozen it or not. Please let it be frozen. So that's 2 hits. So we're now live. There you go. Wow. Wow. You don't want a power cut, isn't it? I'm going with one of these straight on there. We're going to swage this. Okay, so we've got the valve on. So now we're just going to put the last bits on. So we're going to put a bit of this on there. So it'll completely dry down there, and it's done a good job. Okay, that's definitely in. So we can tighten these up. Okay, that's all of it. Quick dry up. That's it, all back on. Done. So now we've just got to put it all back together. Gone the wrong way around, but it's so cool. But you won't notice till you're about 25.
No, Mommy will, and Mommy will sort it
No,
out.
she won't. Come on.